Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As I promised before, we will have tutorials for other software such as CODESYS in this channel. Today we start together to learn programming with the CODESYS. We can program some PLCs or even Raspberry Pi with CODESYS. First we will learn how to download and install this software. We need to go to CODESYS website and download CODESYS. You can find the link for download in the description below, or you can search CODESYS in Google. Go to the CODESYS group and then CODESYS store, or you can search it here. We're going to use this free version. Here you can find both 32 and 64-bit versions. My Windows is 64-bit, so I download this version. Let me click on that. It brings up a screen. You have to log in. If you don't have any account, you have to create it. Creating an account is free. You need to fill out some information. Your name, phone number, address, city, country, email, and password you need to fill out. Other information is optional. Check the policies. At the end, click on Create an Account. You will receive a confirmation email, and then you can log in with your email and password. I've already done that, so I'm going to sign in. Accept the license agreement, and the download is starting. If you need to install older version, you can find here all versions. You can download which one you need. When the download is completed, open the setup file. Double click. It's starting to install. Click Next. Accept the agreement. You can change here the installation directory. I choose default location. If you don't need any features of CODESYS, you can deactivate it here. Then click on Next. It started to install the CODESYS. It takes approximately 20 minutes to complete the installation. Click on Finish. If you open the CODESYS, you can see we have installed it successfully. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will start programming with CODESYS, and you will learn how to create a project and add a visualization.